Hello guys, and welcome back to another video of our technical channel. This is technical hacking by RR, means technical hacking by Raj and Rupesh. Today I am going to show you how to create a logo for our YouTube channel. This is very easier for anyone. It doesn't require a lot of things. So you can see here, as you can see here, I have already created a logo and I have already posted it. I'm just going to create similar to that logo and showing you how to create logo related to that. You can do as you wanted. You can change the type of logo or anything. For this, use any browser, any kind of browser, and type search in this search box that logo maker for YouTube channel. Okay, and then search it. I repeat you again, logo maker for YouTube channel, and let it be load. It is taking some time. Look here, logo maker for YouTube channel. Then I have created the logo from this point or this website. Load it and make a logo for free, and wait this website to be open. Okay, we are here now. Select your type. My type is technology and communications. Technology and communication. Okay. What is happening? Because I am recording the video, my PC is little bit slow right now, but it doesn't matter. Look here, you can select any kind of logo from this. It has pre-installed logo, but I'm going to select this part and then where the logo should be here somewhere. Where has it gone? Just left it, and I'm just showing you how to create. So let's create with this. Now type your company name or your channel name. In my case, this is technical hacking by R, and this slogan, or it is optional, you can leave it, but I'm using it for subscribe button. This will be yes, subscribe. So let's get it started. Next. Okay, now here you need to select the 800 into 800 because it is the default size of the logo of the YouTube. Here you can see it. I'm just a little bit arranging the size. if you also try one day, then you also understand how it works. Little bit, it is little bit difficult for me also, and for you also, but let it be. Okay, now for subscribe button, this one, it look better now, right? So let's edit this one. Subscribe button, this is handwriting family. Now you can add some art in this also, like this. These are samples. I let this double click to okay. I am writing subscribe my channel. Okay, now it is in sequence. Right. Now you can add icons of here icon also, like I have searched YouTube icon. Let's put this. Rearrange the size. Now you can add shapes also. I'm using banners. No, not this one. This. I'm using this banner for my subscribe text, which is placed here. I'm enlarging this size. Okay, now it is in sequence. It is also in sequence. Okay, now it is looking like little bit nice. Now I'm going to add bottom in this. Which YouTube bottom should I include? Let's this one. This is a little bit bigger. Bottom. Okay, now done. Okay, you can see here I have created. Now you can preview it. Look, it will look like this. Nice. Cut down. Save. Save. Now I click on download. Free downloads. The logo, but the logo is in zip. I will extract it to show you. Just wait for some time. This is my file Vivo Plus, which is extracting the file. View the file, go to folder. As you can see here, this is a folder in which the logo is present. Look, I'm viewing with the softwares. Look, how is it? This is a little bit nice. Okay, done. I have created the logo. Okay, copying, Ctrl C and paste. Now the logo has been created. I placed it here. Now I'm showing you how to add this play button, this logo to our accounts. Okay, wait sometimes. This is my another channel. I'm using this. Like this. Now, so create a channel. Studio. Create channel. Start channel. You can also add your video like this. Now I am going to change. This is my another video. Sorry, another channel. Don't think that this is the original. I'm just changing, just to show you this really works. Okay, open. Wait some time. Okay. Okay, as you can see here, I have created my logo of my channel. This is not the original. This is for others channel. This is another channel of mine. So this is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, like this video, and share this video with our other friends who are new on the YouTube. And please comment down your opinion on this video. If you think something can be improved, just tell us. We will be happy to listen from you. Thank you for watching this video, and good